Hello, this is Paul Johnston from Unilumin, and we are here at NAB 2026. It's a great Monday. It's packed. We got people everywhere. We're looking really good. And we also have a lot of great products we're debuting. From our new COB poster to what's behind me is our new Upanel II MIP 1.2. It's running on megapixel, and we'll do up to 120 frames a second. This is a flagship product. It's replacing our Upanel S. So those of you that know of Upanel S, it's being replaced by this new technology. And of course, it's 45% less power consumption and higher brightness. If you follow me over here, we've got our new UslimIII in MIP. We also have it in an SMD as well. It now goes down to 1.2 and it's MIP or SMD as stated. You'll see that we have multiple cabinet sizes here from 250 by 500, 250 by 750, 500 by 500, and 500 by 1000. And then if you come around on this side, you're going to notice that you can also have that same exact product, same bin, same match, all color matching in compound and concave curves. And we also have them in both 500 by 500 and 500 by 1000 cabinets. So it gives you the ultimate flexibility when it comes to doing LED walls. It's also broadcast ready, so you can use it on production studio sets. It will do from 2397 up to 60 frames a second. And then last but not least is our flagship virtual production wall. This is our UpadIV 1.9 VP wall. It's running on Brompton, but it's available in megapixel as well as in Novastar Coex. It will do 240 frames a second. It's 15,000 refresh rate, and it's 8 scan. We also make a 16 scan variant as well if you don't need the 8 scan. There's a lot of other great things to see here. We'd love to see it. Come on down and see us at Unilumin.